Welcome to Ooty, the queen of hill stations in South India. If you're planning a trip to Ooty, this video is for you. We spent a few amazing days exploring this beautiful hill station, from scenic roads, the famous toy train, to waterfalls, cafes, and a lovely heritage stay. I will also share some top places to visit, so let's get started. We started our journey from Coimbatore International Airport by road, and the drive takes around 3 to 4 hours. And honestly, it's one of the most scenic drives in South India. And with every hairpin bend, you'll notice the air getting cooler and the views becoming greener with every turn. We stayed at the CGH Earth Murli Hill Bungalow, a beautiful luxury heritage stay that's a bit expensive but absolutely worth it for the peaceful vibe. For budget-friendly colonial style stays, you can consider Mango Hill Shola Ooty, Sherlock Hotel, Fortune Resort Sylvan Court, or Hotel Nahar Nilgiris. Our first stop was the famous pine forest, which became even more popular after being featured in movies like Raz and Divana. Walking through these tall trees felt so peaceful, and when you reach at the end of it, there is a breathtaking lake. The views are magical, it's breezy, it was monsoon, so it was wonderful. Our next stop was the famous 9 Mile shooting point. With its open meadows and rolling hills, it's easy to see why so many Indian movies have been filmed here. The cool, refreshing breeze of 9 Mile shooting point is something you'll instantly notice. This spot has appeared in several Bollywood movies like Raja Hindustani, Kuch Hota Hai, making it one of the Ooty's most photographed locations. You should not miss this place because it's perfect place to slow down, enjoy the mountain crisp air, and take in the Ooty's natural beauty. A trip to Ooty is incomplete without the iconic Nilgiri Mountain Railway toy train. We took the Ooty to Kunnur route, which takes about 1 hour and offers stunning views of the tea estates, forests, tunnels, and misty hills. Tickets sell out quickly, so book them 30 to 60 days in advance on the IRCTC Rail Connect app or the IRCTC website. If online tickets are sold out, you can try your luck at the Ooty railway station counter, but availability isn't guaranteed. We recommend booking a first class ticket for the best experience and comfort. The next morning, we headed to the Government Botanical Garden, and honestly, it is one of the prettiest places in Ooty. The gardens are beautifully maintained with colorful flowers, huge old trees, and plenty of spots to just sit back and enjoy the weather. We took a leisure walk, clicked a lot of pictures, and simply enjoyed the calm surroundings. No trip is complete without good food, and Ooty has some lovely cafes. We visited Lay Cafe, Periodic Table, and Mind Escape. Each had its own charm, but if I had to pick one, I would definitely visit Mind Escape again. It has stunning views, the breeze was amazing. I really didn't want to come back from Mind Escape. Next, we visited Pykara Waterfalls. After taking a buggy ride and walking down around 100 steps, we finally reached the waterfall. The sight of the water, surrounded by lush greenery, made the short trek completely worth it. The cool breeze and the soothing sound of the falls made it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy nature. You should definitely not miss this if you enjoy waterfalls. This is one of the beautiful waterfalls I have ever seen. We also stopped by St. Stephen Church, one of the Ooty's oldest churches. Its beautiful colonial architecture and peaceful vibe make it a quick but worthwhile visit. Lastly, on our way back to Coimbatore, we stopped at Wellington Lake. It was the perfect final stop, quiet, scenic, and a great place to unwind before heading home. Thank you for watching my Ooty vlog, and if you like the content, please do like and subscribe, and if there are any queries, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.